Hello viewers, what I have here is a die-cast car, a Lamborghini Centenario. This is what it looks like inside a box, with a nice neon green color. Color is very strong. I like this color. Anything with neon green, I like. I think it stands out real good on a car. I'm gonna unbox this Lamborghini Centenario die-cast model car. This is a 5-inch 1 in 36 scale die-cast car. This is a Lamborghini Centenario. Only 40 of these were made at that time. Invitation only. That means if they invite you to buy this car, then you was one of the lucky ones. And to buy this car, you have to be rich or have a lot of money. Because the going rate for this car was $1.9 million to $2.5 million. It had a top speed of 217 miles an hour. The car is very expensive and very fast. Only 40 of these were made. I'm gonna open the front door. This is what the front of this Lamborghini looks like. Very sporty. It's a 2-seater. Has the black rims with the black tire, making it look real nice. Has the Lamborghini logo on the side of the car, on the door. Different colors on the side. This is what the front looks like. It's the windshield with the wipers, the lights. The Lamborghini logo on the front of the car. Also the mirrors right here. Lamborghini logo. I'm gonna open the passenger side. This is what it looks like on the passenger side. Just imagine you was one of the 40 people that was invited to buy one of these cars. At $1.9 million to $2.5 million. These are rare cars to have. Nice sporty tires. The front. The top of the car. Here's the back. Hood or trunk of the car. I'm not sure if the engine's in the front or the back. It's a Lamborghini Hyperspec on the license plate. The rear of the car, the muffler, I believe. Very nice. Some design in the top of the car. Beautiful color. Super fast as long as you push it. It's very fast. Also, it feels a little heavy. I bought this in Walmart, I believe, for under $15. Not sure. You have to push it, doesn't run by itself. I'm going to show you the car from the back side with the windows open. It has these half butterfly doors halfway. A little closer. Bring a little back. This is what it looks like. I'm going to turn it around to the passenger side. I'll turn it around to the front. Put a little more back. Closer. This is what it looks like from the driving side. Very nice color, very nice car. The Lamborghini Centenario Diecast model car. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.